Backstage Pass.
Backstage Pass. Sanbonan babukeli be-Agape niyazi indoda enkulu ihlala iniphathele izinto ey'khala kahle zimnandi kakhulu. Hlala nam ningayindawo.
Well, good evening and welcome to Coca Cola Park.
Here's your Backstage Pass countdown to how SABC Sports brings you live coverage of the beautiful game. Njengamanje sila kwi-OB ngiphethe uJoe la. Joe, kunjani? Joe, what goes in behind everything that you are doing here?
Me as a producer, my real job here is to ensure that the presenters, they follow our themes of the day. They do have some information that they can talk about. They do have stats, and that they don't give wrong information to the people at home.
Does Joe have a spiritual side in him that keeps him sane, calm, so that when he goes to work and does this hectic job, he is calm and connected?
Like very early in the morning when you wake up, you just give yourself a short prayer that, okay, I wish myself to be successful and wish God can help me to achieve what I want to achieve. Because you are in control of lots of people. What you do, yours is just to be cool down, calm down, don't use vulgar words, just try and help people, push people to do what you want them to do. And then we say, okay, that's through God's will that everything happened my way.
So right now, I got two Nat. Nat, how are you, sir?
I'm good, Baba. How are you doing?
Sharp, man. Tell me, what is your job here at the OB van?
Yeah, I'm the director of the show. So anything that has to do with cameras, basically technical. We do have the engineers, but I get to direct all the cameramen. Like today, we have like 20 cameras. So we've got 20 cameramen that I need to speak to. Visually, when you look at the screen, I need to make sure that the shots that we're cutting, they are seamless so that you can follow the game. So each and every angle, each and every slow-mo that we play, it's my responsibility to call it. Yes, we work as a team, but at the end of the day, I have to make sure that anything that goes on screen, I've checked it.
What keeps you going spiritually?
Every one of us, we have that spiritual part within ourselves.
Yes, sir.
And if I come to do a big game like this, yes, I do pray in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Ask the Almighty to look after me, to make sure that He guides all of us as the team working in this production, so that we can send the best pictures on your television sets at home. What
goes behind your energy when you do your job commentary?
I think it's my passion for what I do, and I also believe ukuthi ngusisiwe.
Would you tell me that you are highly spiritual?
Yes, I am. I'll talk about my wife, because mainly she put me into this, into believing that, you know what, you have to ask for some of these things. They don't just happen, and always say thank you when you see them happening.
These are our veterans, our icons. Sir, where do you think our soccer is going?
The national team is definitely moving in the right direction.
Deshi, would you say that our squad right now, are we fit to take on the world?
You know, I think Mark's right. We are going in the right sort of direction.
Mark, when the boys are playing and in their lifestyle, would you say spirituality helps in terms of success and pushing forward in this life?
No, definitely. I think that, you know, players have beliefs, and if they stick to those beliefs, it generally brings them a lot of success.
Is Dr. Khumalo a spiritual person?
Yes, of course. I come from a background that's so spiritual, very disciplined, and I cannot afford to disappoint my family.
What is your prediction? Tonight's game, who's gonna take it?
I'd love to see Bafana winning. 16
Mavula Vala, right here at Ellis Park Stadium, baby. We're gonna take it. Bafana. Backstage. Hola. You put on my supporters. Ababaha. Hola, Machita. Ubano so win and I'm shot.
Let's use 4 for a change, stand by 4. All right, Tolani, I need these 2 goals back to back.
With a 2-0 lead at the end of the first half, Bafana went on to win the match 3-0. A fantastic result in preparation for this afternoon's encounter with Niger. Make sure you catch the game on Laduma at 4:30.